Welcome back again. Today we will discuss about the numerical question from the chapter Cost of Capital. Question is, a company issued 10,000 10,000 implies that 10,000 units, 10% debentures of rupees 100 each at par. On 1st April 2018 to be matured on 1st April 2028 at par. The company wants to know the cost of its existing debentures on 1st April 2023 when the market price of the debenture is rupees 80. Compute the cost of existing debentures assuming 35% tax rate. I am going to repeat this question. A company issued 10,000 unit 10% debentures of rupees 100 each at par on 1st April 2018 to be matured on 1st April 2028 at par. The company wants to know the cost of its existing debt on 1st April 2023. When the market price of the debenture is rupees 80, compute the cost of existing debentures assuming 35% tax rate. As per this question, I am going to solve this. A company issued 10,000 units of debenture, 10% each. 10% each implies that the rate of interest is 10%. Interest is 10% implies that since face value of the debenture is rupees 100, since face value of debenture is rupees 100, so interest for one unit debenture will be rupees 10. Total number of debentures equal to 10,000 units. 10% debenture. 10% debentures and the face value of the debenture is face value of the debenture equal to rupees 100. Since face value is rupees 100 and so interest will be calculated on the basis of face value. So the interest on debenture will be rupees 10. Now the company wants to know the cost of its existing debt on 1st April 2023. Since debenture was issued on 1st April 2018 and after 5 years of tenure, company wants to know about the cost of debenture. But as we know from this question, it is given in the question that the maturity is 10 years. Maturity period of the debenture is 10 years. Debenture is going to mature on 1st April 2028. But after 5 years of issuing the debenture, company is going to know about the cost of that debenture. And so, time, that means N, time period will be only 5 years in place of 10 years. Only maturity is 10 years. That means debenture is issued at 1st April to 2018, but going to be matured at 1st April 2028. But we have to know about the cost of debenture after 5 years only, so its end will be 5 years only. Now, net proceed. Net proceed implies that the market price of the debenture after 5 years. That means as on 1st April 2023, current market price of the debenture is rupees 80. This is the net proceed of the debenture. Face value is given, current market price is given. This is the net proceed of the debenture. Tax rate is, tax means T equal to applicable tax will be 0.35. 35% means 0.35. Now, as we know that the redeemable value, this face value will be also known as redeemable value or redemption value, you can say. This is the redemption value of debenture. Everything is given in your question. Now you have to find out the cost of redeemable debenture. Cost of redeemable debenture, the formula of cost of redeemable debenture, KD equal to interest into 1 minus tax plus redemption value minus net proceed by N divided by redemption value plus net proceed by 2. This implies that interest on 1 unit of debenture will be rupees 10. 1 minus 0.35 is your tax plus redemption value will be 100 minus 80 is the net proceed divided by time period 5 years divided by 100 is the redemption value plus 80 by 2. When we solve this, we find that 10 into 0.65 plus 20 by 5 divided by 180 by 2. 6.5 plus 4 divided by 90 equal to 10.5 by 90. 10.5 by 90 means when we divide 10.5 with 90, we find that 0.1166. That means you can say 11.67 is 11.67% is your answer. I am going to repeat this question. A company issued 10,000 units of debenture The rate of interest of the debenture is 10%, since the face value of the debenture is rupees 100. Since the face value of the debenture is rupees 100, and so interest on debenture will be rupees 10, and this face value will be the redemption value, because the company will have to redeem this debenture after maturity. The company will have to repay the principal amount after maturity, and company is going to find out the cost of debenture after 5 years only. Since, as we know that from the question, the total tenure of the debenture is 10 years, but company is going to find out the cost of debenture after 5 years only. So the number of years, so the time period will be 5 years only, and net proceed will be the current market price, which is 80. Tax will be 0.5, because tax is 35%, and as we know from the formula, cost of redeemable debenture equal to interest into 1 minus t plus redemption value minus net proceed by number of years divided by the average of redemption value and net proceed. So we can put all the values and find out our answer, and find out the answer. Our answer will be 11.67%. Thank you.